Hi, I'm Troy and this is Phoenix, my 34-foot sloop. Welcome aboard and please join me for some sailing adventures.
Okay, so what's on today's list for boat jobs? Well, one of the things on a boat you got to deal with is condensation, and condensation can lead to mold. So here we are above the saloon table. We have this carpet headliner. I went to clean it the other day because it is moldy and I have to clean it at least once every 12 months. And anyway, as I start to clean it, it starts to fall down. The glue has, given up. So that meant I was either going to have to re-glue it and then still clean it, or replace it. And this is on the port side. Same deal. You get the mold all around here. It's just never ending. So I was thinking what to replace it with. Do I just go to carpet, or do I use this stuff, which is a Lemonex type product? I have that in the V-berth as well, and it's really good for cleaning. Just give it a quick wipe down and that's it. And it looks pretty neat. So what did I choose for my headliner material? Not wanting to use any of the products mentioned, I decided to go with this. What is this? It's an EVA foam with a adhesive back. It's all rolled up at the moment, obviously. But what it is, it's actually designed for non-slip decking. So people might use this, on a swim platform or something like that. But it's got a nice texture to it. And yeah, basically really, really low maintenance, easy to keep clean. And if it eliminates the condensation issue, then that's great. So yeah, first things first, pull down all this old carpet and measure up. Ooh, okay. Headliner is coming down. Couple more screws to go, and you can see how easily this headliner is going to separate. Look at that, it's barely on there. I guess after so many decades it was inevitable that the glue would just eventually give up, which is good for me. I don't have to sit there and, oh look at that, just come straight off. And a bit of glue there. Looks like someone's done that as a bit of an afterthought. And there we go. Wow. Headliner removed. And look at it. Looks terrible. Okay, so here we are. It's all been cleaned. I've used wax and grease remover to get rid of all the old glue and dirt or anything else, or a bit of mold. So now I'm just going to cut that to the to an approximate width and length. That way I can easily roll it out on top. And there you have it. Headliner complete. I'm really happy with that stuff. Pulling down the carpet was mouldy, it stunk, it was dusty, and the glue that was used originally to hold it on was just so dried and dusty as I pulled it down, so really unhygienic. And yeah, this EVA foam is going to be fantastic. The adhesion on the back of the foam is really good, so I think it's just going to give me many years of trouble-free service, and that's what I like.